As artificial intelligence, AI, continues to reshape industries, many people worry about job security. However, certain careers will remain in high demand and offer lucrative salaries because they require uniquely human skills that AI cannot easily replicate. Fields such as healthcare, creative industries, and leadership roles will continue to thrive. Jobs like doctors, therapists, and specialized engineers demand critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and hands-on expertise. Additionally, careers in innovation, strategy, and ethical decision-making will be essential in guiding AI's development. While automation will change the job market, opportunities will still exist for those who focus on skills that AI cannot replace. How safe is your job in a world transformed by artificial intelligence? The job market is shifting rapidly, and to stay ahead, you need to future-proof your career. Many wonder what they should study or which jobs will remain relevant. To truly thrive, it's crucial to understand the key trends shaping industries. By analyzing these trends, you can make informed career decisions and adapt to the changing landscape. The job market is evolving rapidly due to various global factors. Technology and AI advancements are transforming industries, automating tasks, and creating demand for digital skills. Geopolitical shifts impact trade, regulations, and job opportunities worldwide. Demographic changes, such as aging populations and shifting workforce expectations, are reshaping labor markets. Economic challenges, including inflation and recessions, influence hiring trends and job stability. Lastly, the green transition is driving demand for sustainable jobs, renewable energy expertise, and eco-friendly innovations. Understanding these trends can help job seekers and businesses adapt to the future of work. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and digital tools are transforming businesses, creating new opportunities while making certain jobs obsolete. AI will not only replace some roles but also introduce fresh career paths that never existed before. Tensions between global superpowers, particularly the US and China, are reshaping international trade and economic partnerships. Companies must adapt to new challenges, influencing hiring trends across industries. Aging populations in developed countries, such as South Korea, are increasing demand for healthcare professionals. Meanwhile, younger workforces in developing regions are fueling the need for education and skill development. With rising living costs and slower economic growth, workers must focus on continuous learning, upskilling, and innovation to remain competitive in the job market. Climate change initiatives are driving demand for professionals in renewable energy, environmental engineering, and sustainability-focused roles. The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2030, approximately 92 million jobs will be displaced due to automation, technological advancements, and shifts in global economic priorities. However, this disruption will be accompanied by the creation of around 170 million new jobs, particularly in rapidly growing industries such as technology, healthcare, and green energy. This net job increase represents a significant improvement from earlier projections, suggesting that the global workforce will have more opportunities than previously anticipated. The report underscores the critical role of upskilling and reskilling in preparing workers for these emerging opportunities, emphasizing that those with the right skills will be better positioned to thrive in the evolving job market. Certain roles are rapidly being replaced by automation and AI-powered tools. Postal service clerks, automated sorting systems are taking over mail distribution. Data entry clerks, AI and data science tools automate data collection and analysis. Bank tellers, online banking and mobile apps reduce the need for in-person transactions. Cashiers and ticket clerks, self-checkout and digital ticketing systems are replacing human workers. Administrative assistants and secretaries, AI-powered scheduling tools like Calendly handle tasks once managed by humans. The good news? New job roles are emerging to replace obsolete ones. Technology-driven positions are leading the way. Big data specialists analyze massive datasets to extract valuable insights. Fintech engineers develop next-gen payment systems and digital banking platforms. AI and machine learning specialists design algorithms for chatbots, automation, and self-driving technologies. Software developers, still in high demand for building apps, websites, and digital infrastructure. Cybersecurity specialists protect systems and networks from increasing cyber threats. A fascinating trend is that new jobs often correlate with the ones being phased out. For example, data science specialists are taking over tasks previously done by data entry clerks, and fintech engineers are innovating traditional banking roles. This highlights the importance of reskilling and upskilling to transition into future-proof careers. The demand for sustainable and healthcare-focused jobs continues to rise. Renewable energy engineers, developing solutions for clean energy production. Autonomous vehicle specialists, innovating self-driving technology. Nurses and healthcare workers, addressing the needs of aging populations. Higher education teachers, preparing future generations for evolving job markets. The most in-demand skills include AI and machine learning, big data analytics, cybersecurity. However, technical expertise alone is not enough. Soft skills like creative thinking, leadership, and adaptability are equally important. Many companies are investing in AI-related training, particularly in the US and India, where demand for prompt engineering, AI ethics, and AI-driven decision-making is soaring. A common concern is whether coding is still worth learning. The answer? Absolutely. Coding is becoming a foundational skill, much like math. Even if you don't become a software engineer, understanding the basics will give you a competitive edge in any field. By 2030, 59% of workers will require training to stay relevant. The key to success? Embrace technology, continuously upskill, and position yourself in a growing industry. If you're currently in a job that's at risk of automation, now is the time to reskill and adapt. As technology continues to evolve, the way we work is being transformed, making it essential to adapt and embrace new opportunities. The future of work is not about competing with AI but collaborating with it. By focusing on growth industries and acquiring in-demand skills, you can ensure long-term career security. If you want to start learning about AI and building foundational skills, check out our other videos on AI for everyone and future-proofing your career. Thank you for exploring high-paying careers of the future. What AI won't take over with us? Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations,